Hey everyone, it's Westy here. Just want to show you guys new Elite FS, and this is in the 9-inch size. I'm very excited to see this on my boat up the front. I haven't had a sounder up the front of this boat for a while now. Just have the carbon in the middle, turn on its bracket, getting sick of looking back all the time. So now the Elite series is compatible to connect to all of the electronics in your boat. So the Ghost, it'll connect with the carbon, it'll connect with other Elite FS's, FS, fishing system, Elite fishing system. So let's unbox this Lowrance Elite FS 9 and see what this is all about. First thing I did notice, what it says on the side. That's pretty cool. Protecting our oceans, rivers and lakes protects our future. That's awesome. Big recycled sign. So it's telling me that the packaging is going to be sustainable and made from recycled components. How good's that? So let's rip the sleeve off. Alrighty. Recycle box. Open up the lid. A big welcome note. Welcome to the team. Let's get started. So it has some information quickly here. You can get your app that you need for the Apple Store or Google Play. A couple other informational things on the front. Comes out. Sustainability. Tells you about the packaging. What they've used to pack this stuff with. Recyclable. Making it more sustainable. Sustainability. It's what you want. No styrofoams, none of that stuff that just gets dumped as landfill. This is going to be recyclable. How good's that? That's what you're looking at. Side box. Paperwork. This one's going to be a good one for anyone that's putting their Lowrance Elite FS in a console. You have a template. A template to cut a nice hole that's going to fit your screen perfectly. So follow the lines. You can't go wrong. It's going to fit perfect every time. Warranty slip. Active imaging 3-in-1 transducer. With this one. How good's that? Installation guide. Please read this. Quick guide. Read this too. Good information for those guys that want a quick guide on how to operate it. User manual, and it's in English. So this book has all the information that you could possibly need for this. So when you have time, I recommend read the user manual. Recycled bag. Let's open it. I won't tip it out because I'm on grass and I'm going to lose some of the pieces. So in here I have an inline fuse holder. There's a fuse in there. There looks to be stainless steel screws in here as well. So it would be part of an installation kit. Active 3-in-1 transducer. A lot of cable there. This is this recyclable molded pulp that they talk about. It is literally like wood chips. You probably sprinkle it on your garden after you pull this out. The bracket for the active imaging. Power cable. So here's a gimbal for your Elite FS. Lowrance, even got it on the side, and it even has Dominate. It's a pretty cool looking gimbal. I like the look of that. It's pretty cool. Another bag full of screws. Transducer mounting kit. Here are your lugs, your gimbal lugs. Now what I'm looking forward to seeing is the actual unit. Alrighty. Comes in plastic. This plastic, I'm going to say it feels recyclable. Dissolvable in boiling water. There you go. Something that I'm going to try, I think. So here's the unit. Built-in GPS. Look how slimline that is. That's crazy. Let's take it out of its cover. As I've noticed, there's these nice little rubber parts on the inside of this cover. So it stops it from hitting the screen, protects it a little bit more. Just another thing they've added. There you go. The Elite FS 9. Very slimline. Nice flat glass. Pretty cool. Hidden spot there for your SD card. That's a rubber material here. Clicks in. Looks to have like a quick shortcut button there. I'm going to assume that you can do a setting that when you push that you can do something, whether it's mark a waypoint or something like that, but we can get into that later. Important parts on the back. You have power, you have an EMA 2000, you have Ethernet, and you have transducer. Now with the Elite, you can connect them all up. Anything that's electronic on your boat that can be connected, you can connect it to this. So I'm going to connect it to the Ghost. I'm going to connect it to my HGS Carbon. This makes everything the Elite FS, which is fishing system. The Elite fishing system from Lowrance. That looks cool. I like the look of that. And that's going to look awesome on the front of this boat. Looking down at this, and I forgot to tell you that this little beauty is compatible with Active Target. Oh yeah, that's right, you heard me right. Active Target. Lowrance Active Target. If you haven't seen it, you got to check it out. Cannot wait to get it on the boat. So if you fish and you're in the market for a sounder for price, why wouldn't you get one of these? Built-in maps. Said on the box. Built-in maps for Australia and New Zealand. I'm in Australia, it's gonna have maps for me. I can handle that. Let's see what this baby can do. Thanks for watching, guys. I got this packaging out of the Elite FS 9 unit, and it says that this bag is water soluble. Everything that they're doing with the new packaging is sustainable, and it says here dissolve in boiling water. So I got my jug. Let's see. Whoop. There you go. See it is breaking away. Got a fork here. Check that out. The bag is gone. That is the future right there.